Hi there guys and gals, good evening to each every one of you. How are you all doing? Merry Christmas to each every one of you. I'm gonna watch a movie upstairs here in Gateway. I supposed to watch Topak but time didn't permit me because it's a 9 p.m. last full show. That's why I haven't got it. Just what I have promised to one of behind of this Topak movie. Anyway, there are 10 movies to watch here, guys and girls. 5 in GM2 and 5 here in Gateway, the old one. Hold on. But anyway, before I forgot, I just want to thank the Lord for all the blessings that He gave to me, and for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my first viewers who never get tired of my masterpieces. Thank you so much, each every one of you, and to all my silent subscribers out there. Hi, and to all my 10 lovely countries. 13 lovely countries: Philippines, United States, South Korea, India, Mexico, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Russia, United Kingdom, Canada, Brazil, Germany, and Italy. Oh gosh, how many more minutes? I'm gonna late. I supposed to make a review. I supposed to have a how do you call this thing? Oh gosh, is I forgot. I'm being lost. I supposed to have my ranking and my fearless forecast for these 10 entries for the 50th Metro Manila Film Festival. This could be the day one, the first day of the so-called and the famous Metro Manila Film Festival. What else? Sorry guys. Maybe tomorrow I'm gonna... Oh gosh, I think they're gonna start. Hold on. I had here the ticket. This one. So they are not yet started. I'm gonna watch, and the breadwinner is... I don't have any choice. So here we are in Gateway. They are not yet starting. 9:50. For how many more minutes do we have? Oh gosh, I think they're gonna start. So guys and girls, I hope you have time to watch a movie as well for these coming days. Just relax, treat yourselves, enjoy your life to the fullest, and treat your loved ones, the real ones, your family and yourself, okay? Start na. For how many minutes? 2 minutes, guys, 2 minutes. So I can able to give you the ranking for this 10 movies, okay? So bye for now. Thank you. Godspeed, and once again, Merry Christmas to each every one of you, okay? Bye. To all my Facebook viewers, hi. To all my Facebook viewers also, hi. Each every one of you. Bye.